one economy in the world, or city in the world, affected by sea level rise. And this is going to affect 90% of the population there, do about $500 billion worth of damage, potentially. And what is the response that the Floridian government has to this reality? Let's ban all mention of climate change in the government, right? Why? Because they don't have a plan to fix this. Because the plan to fix this, in US political terms, would be labelled as socialism today. If we're going to spend lots of money protecting Miami from sea level rise and spending all of this money on infrastructure, the question is, who's going to pay for this? Well, Miami's going to pay for this in the future because already we haven't done enough to stop this damage that's going to be occurring here. The other outcome of climate change, unfortunately, is going to be food scarcity. So there are a lot of crops, basic crops like maize, corn, wheat, and so forth, that are very actually sensitive to temperature change. So let's think about a use case of how this might affect food production. And there is an argument today that of the approximately 100 million eco-refugees last year, these are people that have been displaced, have already been displaced by food scarcity and climate-related issues. So this is a big problem for the future. We have to figure this out. But imagine being in the wine industry in France, in the Bordeaux region, or producing champagne in France. Within 10 years, 90% of those crops in France are going to be failing because of temperature increases. This is bad news.